Ever find some great keywords and have trouble figuring out where to put them in your Google Ads account? Organizing your keywords takes a lot of time. It can be hard to remember which keywords are a good match for your campaigns. Well, now in Keyword Planner, we can help you with that. Keyword Planner uses machine learning to match keywords you found with the keywords already in your ad groups. No changes will be made to your account until you're ready. In this video, we'll show you how to get started. Simply save some keyword ideas and navigate to Organize Keywords. From there, we'll do the rest. We will try to match them to the most relevant ad groups in your highest performing campaigns. Once complete, you'll be able to review them for accuracy and make edits of your own. You can even download your work for review. No changes occur to your account until you're ready to upload them. Navigate to Keyword Planner in the Tools menu in Google Ads. The next time you're looking for new keywords, try Organize Keywords. We'll make it easier for you to organize and implement new keywords.